Welcome. In front of me I have ZTE Axon 11 5G and I'm going to show you how you can get these lightning edges on this smartphone. So at the first I'm going to delete this application and it's right here, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to get it. So we have to move for the Play Store, and in the search bar you have to type lightning edges. You have to get this application from the Sun and Lightning Studio. There's the name of the application. So right now just install and wait until it finishes download. Right now we can open, and we have to click right here, set the name of our theme, click OK, mute the ad and then just turn it off. And here there's the border colors, you can change the run style, also the border styles, there's the animation speed, also we can adjust the border size, and the edges from the bottom and the top, and of course we can also set up the notch position. And then just click to create, tap on it, click to enable overlay over the app, click yes, turn on this marker, go back, and right now when we go to our home screen you will be able to see the lightning edges on this smartphone. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.